Oba of Benin, His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwu-Apolopolo Oba Ewuare II, don describe the Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Shaibu, as him son. Oba of Benin tok say Baba God protect the Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu wey no allow the devil to separate them, as the Deputy Governor don become him son. Oba of Benin tok this one for the commissioning of the Royal Palace of Ogenene of Ewuare Kingdom for Jatu, Esako West Local Government Area for Edo State on Saturday. Oba of Benin still tok say he go continue to support the development of Ewuare community.
Deputy Governor of Edo State, Honourable Philip Shaibu, the one I've always called my son right from the beginning. I always called him my son even before he was appointed or elected Deputy Governor of Edo State. He knows the reason why. However, I myself did not know the reason why it came out like that, because I was spiritual. I did not realize it from at the time. I did not realize it was from this place, Ewuare, past shops. When eventually he became Deputy Governor and so on and so forth, I was of course very elated and happy for him and happy for everybody. I think the devil almost played the trick on us at some point to take him away from me, but I prayed hard to our ancestors to get him back to me. Our ancestors, the Almighty God, heard my prayers, granted my prayers, and promptly returning back to his father. For this I'm happy, I'm grateful.
Oba of Benin still yarn say make dem continue to hold the tradition and custom tight and make the traditional leaders comot hand for politics matter.
I also want to say to Ewuare people today, I said charity begins at home in the sense that we in Benin, in the name of God and Almighty and our ancestors, you know, you cannot count two before you cannot count two without counting one. You count one first, number one. Number one is from your ancestors, from the palace of the Oba of Benin, from Benin, where your father is. So therefore, I would say that all those efforts you have been making to contribute money, to gather money, and so on and so forth, let's just say that now I'm here, number one has now started. I've instructed my people, my chiefs, that we will make number one contribution to the development of Ewuare. That contribution in cash, which I will not reveal to any one of you, except His Royal Highness, that will stand as number one contribution. And I can show you now that you have counted number one, you will find it easier to count 2, 3, 4, 5, and many other millions that will come. The traditional institution is sacrosanct. We should all endeavor to continue to uphold the tenets and values as laid down by our forefathers, our ancestors. It plays a uniquely vital role in support and development of our nascent democratic institutions. I appreciate the traditional rulers in Edo State for the peace and unity that exists between us and their unflinching love and support for their permanent chairman. I commend them for the development efforts they are making to improve their various communities. I enjoy you to continue to work together and cooperate with each other. Also, I must emphasize this. Also, please Be extremely careful how you handle political party matters. I implore traditional institutions to always respect constituted authority in the state in particular and the country in general.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember, say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote give any politician or political party on election day.